you still looking for a home here in Oak Harbor? Come check out this wonderful acreage all on one level here on Rifle Road. This would be a great place to have those dinner parties. Everything would just flow right through here. And since how it's on one level, makes it even better. All nice wood cabinets. Really cool sink. And there are two, one on each side. The Lazy Susans. Plus you have the cooktop here. That is propane. Take a look at the size of this utility room. So great cabinets, lots of shelving. There's an entrance to the garage off this way, and a ramp outside the man door on this side. Plus, there's an office in the back, or you can turn that into another bedroom. What do you want to do with it? It's up to you. The sky's the limit. Another great feature is this beautiful sunroom. And it has venting going from here into the main living room, so it'll always keep you nice and warm. Even with it being hot and sunny today, this isn't bad at all. This is absolutely beautiful. How about a big two-car garage with lots of storage and cabinets and shelving where you can do all kinds of really cool projects. How about this huge shop? You're gonna love this home. Don't miss out because it's not gonna be here very long. Holy smokes, it's gorgeous out here. Beautiful day, you could sit out and roast a marshmallow, just chillax in your backyard or your front yard. Whatever you wanna call this, it could be your yard. When you're ready, just ask for Cheri. I'm gonna be there to help you. Till next time, take care.